I just can't stop smiling. This is truly incredible. So this QSuite's flight was a big one for me since I was leaving Asia after spending almost a month there this summer. Here you're seeing the end of my trip when I visited Oscar during his internship in Japan and had the most amazing time. Before that, I was in Thailand volunteering at a rescue dog center, which was such a mind-blowing experience. It was truly so rewarding, so much fun, and this QSuite flight was part of my journey going from Asia all the way to New York via the Middle East and Europe. Oh my gosh, the excitement is so real. Today, I am trying the world's best business class, Qatar Airways QSuite. Qatar is now flying the QSuites on one of their daily of like 6 or 7 Bangkok flights. So come with me to see what will my first experience in QSuites be like. I mean, I'm already obsessed with Qatar, so can it get any better? I guess it can. So, my friends, welcome aboard Qatar Airways QSuite on the 777-300. This seat, oh my god. I just can't stop smiling. This is truly incredible. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna show you the cabin, everything soon, but I'm just so happy. Here is my welcome drink, the most delicious lemon mint drink. And just like the way the crew interacts with you. First you come on board, the flight attendant who's taking care of you comes over, introduces herself by name, says she'll be taking care of you, like ask what you want to drink, anything from the menu, a hot or cold towel. Like just the amount of choices are insane. Then the cabin supervisor comes over, introduces herself, says she's here to help you out. If there's any issue, if I want anything during the flight, just reach out to her because she's here to make you comfortable. And just hearing those things, it's like makes you feel so welcome. And when you're in an incredible seat like this, like
I'm seriously euphoric right now.
And I wish this flight was like a year long because I honestly don't think I'd mind. So do you want to look around our suite? Because I do. Let's check this out. Right on the left we have a bunch of storage here, somewhere we can place a phone, headphones, a water bottle, all that good stuff. Then of course over here we have just so many options: contactless payment, HDMI, USB, headphones, charging with another USB, the remote control, and so many seat controls, plus some storage under here. Then up here we have a beautiful surface as well, where we have our amenity kit, just can place some stuff there. And check out the beautiful finishes in this seat. I am amazed. And honestly, I kind of prefer this rear-facing setup. It's really nice to just be sitting here and looking at the wing. And then down here we have a very big foot area, plenty of room. And on the left we have a nice armrest where we put our blanket for now. Let's see. I'll probably find a bunch more fun things with this seat, but for now, let's enjoy. Check out the finishes here as well. Talk about incredible. A coat hook up here. Very nice. It's time for the moment of truth. Really amazes me is that despite the door being closed, the suite feels so big. Like you can move around, you can just like exercise in here. It feels genuinely like a first-class product. So you want to check out the menu? But funnily enough, QSuite and only QSuite has this extra special meal service called snack platters.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance, Captain Marco, Cabin Services Director Novi, we would like to extend a special welcome to our privileged club members.
Bon appetit, my friends. Here is the first course, which is an Arabic breakfast with some fool, a beautiful fake candle, big bread basket, some olives, and some nice looking veggies. And here is the main course, some type of couscous with a fruit and a side dish with more mango. It tasted absolutely amazing. But what is most impressive, as you can see here, is the food presentation. But not only that, the table setting is better than most restaurants. The food tasted amazing, and Qatar offers something that very few airlines offer in the world, which is dine on demand, meaning you can eat whenever it suits you best. Okay guys, the big reveal. Welcome to the QSuite's bedroom. When you deploy the double beds, this is what you get. This beautiful, beautiful surface. Stunning. I can't believe it. So let's talk about the QSuite for a second. I am completely in awe. Like, this seat, as you can see, is just mind-blowing. It is so comfortable, so private, so well thought out. So far the service has been fantastic, so good. The meal was maybe a 8 out of 10, so it was quite good. Definitely the best presentation you'll get in business class. The flavors were not the best I've ever had, but they were still very good. So I just want to guide you around the bed a little bit, because as you can see here, there is a little area in between where you can, so it's not like fully a double bed. Up here it obviously is, but just down there, there's a little area where the feet have to separate, which is fine, I think. Then we have this carved out area as well. The pillow is just so luscious. There's a beautiful mattress pad, such a luscious blanket as well. Like, the bedding is incredible. The entertainment system RX1, in my opinion, is the second best in the world. So there's just so much to love here. And yeah, just the feeling of luxury that you get here, it truly feels like first in business. So good morning or good afternoon, guys. We're starting the pre-arrival meal service. Qatar is dine on demand, so I just requested to eat now, but I will dig into this salad. And apparently I have a burger coming up next, which I'm very excited about. And the main course is here, which is these very disappointing looking burgers, but at least they have plenty of condiments and delicious fresh coconut water. Still nice presentation though. And cheese plate for dessert. So we are just about to land into Doha, and I want to summarize how is my first flight on QSuite been. Well, besides the seat, which is obviously a highlight, the crew has been absolutely incredible. I just appreciate every single one of them. They've made the ride so much fun. And what I love about Qatar, which you don't get on other airlines, and I just don't get it, is that each crew member who's been taking care of you, including the purser, comes by to your seat and says goodbye, thanks you so much for flying with them, asks how your flight was, things like that. And it just wraps up the experience so well. And I don't get the point of interacting with someone for hours and hours and then suddenly not even getting to say goodbye. It's like my job is done to them and they don't care. That's the vibe you get, but here you don't get that. The food has been quite good, not fantastic, but overall, I just know that the QSuite, just as I was expecting, is the world's best business class seat. It's completely fantastic, and I hope you can try it. I've made a blog post down below, how to book the QSuite, what routes it's on, all that good stuff. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe because I will be comparing my QSuite flight to Etihad First Class, among others, and the Qatar A380 business class to see how does this compare. Can this really be better than Etihad First Class? Well, if you subscribe, you'll find out in a video soon. Also make sure to like the video. I'm aiming for 2,000 likes on this one. And of course, until I see you all next time, fly safe.